First, we always have to start with our customers. What they're looking to do is to really move at an unprecedented speed. They need the agility to be able to come up with services fast and be able to roll them out quickly. They almost need to offer them as a service on demand or network on demand. They want to be able to reduce their cost to serve, and they want to be able to drive their revenues up. So if you put all that together, they have a lot of tools that are available to them. And SDN, NFV, cloud, orchestration are all these tools that they can use to achieve a business purpose. And that's what they're really trying to do. Why? Because the current network environment that we hear from our customers about is extremely complex for them to be able to move at the rapid speed that they need to. The IT infrastructure that's required to create and operate and manage these services is even more complex. So they're trying to simplify, they're trying to modernize the network to be able to simplify it so that they can get to these speeds and services that they're looking for. So SDN, NFV, orchestration and cloud are just tools that they want to be able to leverage to drive it. What we're at Cisco doing is taking all of these capabilities and turning them into a business value that we can bring to our customers.
I'm very keen to see the power of smart edge computing, putting together the SDN capabilities together with caching at the edge of the network. That's not something that's live now, but it's got a huge potential for generating new revenues in just 1 or 2 years.
We've already done a lot of things, both in SDN and NFV. We paved the way on a number of technologies. VHCP was one of the first enablers, making it faster, more seamless, and making service more dynamic to our end customers. End customers in this case, not being the enterprise, but being also service providers. Same thing with NFV. We started to virtualize part of those services. Once the IoT services pick up, well, we'll virtualize those services too on behalf of those service providers. And SDN will enable us to connect all those things together. So the network will provide the physical connectivity, and SDN will help us provide the logical connectivity, what people call service chaining. So then when one customer wants to consume more than one IoT service or more complex IoT service, we'll just pick whatever components they need, put them together in, call it a technical service wrap, but offer it as one single customer experience. 2 service providers, maybe as a white label or as a service to them that they will then resell, consume, and so on, with the end users.
Russia is a big country. That's why it's really a long process of IPization of the whole country. It's also adapting moving to the next generation of technologies, so LTE, and starting to push more and more the market to be ready on the device level for that. So we are trying to use more cost-effective technologies, and secondly, what we are trying to do, and it's in my area of responsibility, we try to focus the efforts of technology people in the area where it really matters to the customers. And that's how we use the feedback collection mechanism. We are collecting their feedback about the network, about what they precisely want from the voice services and from the data services, and where do they need them, these services, and what kind of quality indicators that are really important for them, and try to focus our network development around those.